Hello, my name is Gary Watkins, and I'm a native-born speaker of the English language from the state of California, located in the United States of America. I love teaching English. It's one of my passions. It gives me the opportunity to meet other intelligent individuals ranging in age from children to adults. I'm versed in a variety of topics which include but not are limited to geopolitics, traveling, backpacking, hiking, extreme sports, martial arts, and a variety of other topics. I teach both children and adults, and I use a blended combination of prepared and generated materials, some of which include conversational English, role-playing, reading of novels, and other methodologies. I have a well-developed vocabulary, and I'd like to help you attain that next level of fluency. I also work with children, and we learn through playing games, singing, reading of novels, role-playing, and we provide a variety of fun tests to make sure they retain the information they've received. I'd love to have the opportunity to work with you. All you got to do is sign up for one of my classes. See you there.